T-14 Armata is a new generation main battle tank. It was officially unveiled for the first time during the Moscow Victory Day Parade in May 2015. The T-14 Armata is based on a modular combat platform, which can also serve as a basis for other armored variants such as heavy infantry fighting vehicles and armored personnel carriers. The hull is divided into three compartments: a crew cab at the front, an unmanned remotely controlled turret in the center, and the engine at the rear. Inside a special armored capsule, the driver sits on the left, gunner in the middle and commander on the right. Entry and exit are provided through three hatches in front of the hull. The roof of the turret houses a meteorological mast, satellite communications, global navigation satellite system, GLONASS, data link, and radio communications antennae. The tank measures 10.8 meter long, 3.5 meter wide, and 3.3 meter high, and has a combat weight of 48 tons. The T-14 Armata is fitted with a 125mm smoothbore gun fed by an automatic loader. The turret carries a total of 45 rounds of ammunition, including ready-to-use ammunition. The tank can be equipped with 152mm gun. The difference between the two guns lies in price and necessity. A 125mm is more accurate and stable, in comparison with the 152mm. That's why installing a more expensive weapon onto the tank that's already capable of eliminating all modern tanks is unnecessary at this time. Probably it will be done in the future, once foreign engineers find a remedy against T-14's 125mm armor-piercing shells. The main gun can fire laser-guided missiles. The tank can also be fitted with secondary weapons including a 12.7mm or a 7.62mm machine gun. The hull is equipped with a modular armor system made of steel, ceramics, and composite materials. The low silhouette of the tank helps to avoid exposure to enemy fire, which significantly enhances the safety and survivability of the crew. Also, for this purpose, particularly during explosions, the crew capsule is isolated from the automatic loader and ammunition. The tank is anticipated to offer up to STANAG 4569 Level 5 protection. Its forward portion is covered with reactive armor, whereas the rear is fitted with bar armor to provide added protection against anti-tank rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs. The tank can also be fitted with additional active and passive armor. The nuclear, biological, and chemical protection, automatic fire suppression system and smoke grenade dischargers aboard the tank further enhance the crew survivability. The new Afghanid Hardkill active protection system on the tank defends against incoming anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, and RPGs. The commander and gunner are provided with multispectral sights with visible scope, thermal channels, and laser rangefinders. The commander's sight, mounted on top of the turret, offers a 360 degrees field of view, while the gunner's sight is equipped with a direct vision periscope and a laser designator. The wide-angle cameras installed on the tank provide a full 360 degrees all-round vision and situational awareness for the crew. The tank is also expected to carry electro-optical/infrared-based laser warning receivers. The T-14 Armata is equipped with a computerized fire control system, which automatically formulates the fire control solution using the data from a muzzle reference system and a wind sensor mounted on the roof of the turret. The tank is also equipped with a battlefield management system. The Armata T-14 is powered by an A85-3A turbocharged diesel engine, which generates a power output of 1,200 HP. The engine is coupled to a 12-speed automatic transmission. The running gear includes 7 dual rubberized road wheels on each side. The tank can run at a maximum road speed of 80 km per hour and has a maximum range of 500 km. At the moment, this is one of the most expensive tanks in the world. It is rumored that each T-14 Armata tank costs no less than $8 million US, as the machine is made completely from scratch. The tank has completely new armor, new weapons, a new engine, new defense systems and new camouflage. The tank's tower has always been the weakest spot in the machine. The new platform could hide the entire crew inside of a heavily armored capsule. The T-14 has electronic systems that jam signals of enemy missiles and blind them on their way to the vehicle. T-14 Armata is lighter than its American rival, the Abrams M-1A2, 48 tons versus 74 tons. It's also faster. Nevertheless, the T-14 has two big setbacks: the price and the complexity of its production. The T-14 is the first tank in the world that is a part of the network-centric war concept. The T-14 will probably be the first stealth tank in the world, not only with a drastic reduction in visibility in the infrared, radio and magnetic ranges, but also with the use of innovative signature distortion technologies, that is, distortion of its visual image in the specified ranges, which makes it difficult to search for a tank from Javelin, Spike, or JAGM among discarded infrared traps and dipole clouds. In 2022, the Russian military began the serial production of the T-14 Armata tank. In the coming years, the country will get 132 heavily armed machines of this class. 3 countries have already shown interest in this tank: India, China, and Algeria.